Hi, I'm Jim, WJ Titan. We're a third-party inspection lab, ISO 17025 accredited. We inspect all kinds of parts. This is our vision division. This is Luke. He's in charge of it. You've seen his videos. They're awesome. We have two vision systems, a super accurate one, pretty accurate one, not as accurate. Out here, we've got Big Ugly. Big Ugly does big parts. Big parts, big in process gauges, anything you need, 10 foot by 5 foot by 5 foot. We come back over this way, we have what we affectionately call Tank. Tank is an old CMM, totally upgraded. There's a PH20 on this beast. You've seen a video about PH20 advantages by one of these guys over here. They make videos all the time. We also have two Brown & Sharps running PCDMIS. We do a lot of FALs, a lot of PPAPs, run on all kinds of parts on here. Cash is sitting here right now. He's never been here before. Over here, we have our 3D printing lab. We focus on 3D printed fixturing to help with repeatability of numbers and to make sure we're fixturing parts the way they need to be. Check that out. Who's in there now? It's Luke again. He's killing it. So yeah, it's not much to look at. Just a bunch of guys with beards checking parts. If you need us, you can check us out at this website. You can call us at this number or this number. Call Ben, email me. We can check parts for you. We can do FALs, PPAPs, all kind of inspections. You need us, give us a call. You can go. Bye.